Dreaming of taking your business to the next big level? Want to raise the fund from public, build massive credibility, scale faster? Then a public limited company might be exactly what you need. Hello everyone, I am Ayushi from Diligence certification. Today I will guide you through the public limited company from registration in India. Simple, easy and step by step. Let's start. What is a public limited company? A public limited company or PLC is a business structure that can sell shares to the public through the stock market. That's why large and fast growing companies prefer it. In India, a PLC requires minimum 3 directors, minimum 7 shareholders, no maximum limits on shareholders. This structure offering high credibility, limited liability and easy fundraising. Key features and benefits. Here's why entrepreneurs choose the public limited companies. Shareholders enjoy limited liabilities. Shares can be freely transferred. No minimum paid up capital required. Better access to investor and banker. Better access to banks and investors. Strong corporate image and market trust. It's ideal for business planning, rapid expenses or IPOs. Documents and requirements. To register public limited companies, you will need ID and address proof of director and shareholders, digital signature and DIN, MOA and AOA, registered office proof, ROC fees and incorporation filings. Registration process. The registration process includes choosing and approving the company name, drafting MOA and AOA, filing incorporation documents with ROC, receiving the certificate of incorporation, applying for PAN, TAN, GST and certificate of commencement of business. The process usually takes 3 to 6 weeks. At Diligence certification, we make PLC registration simple and stress-free. We handle documentation, filing, compliances and guidance. You at every stage accurately and on time. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching.